Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable or disable messages notification pop-up in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Then go to notifications. Go to app notifications and here select messages. Here click on pop-up. If you click on pop-up, now it is set to not allowed. Okay, notifications pop-up will not be allowed for messages. Okay, messages will not pop up if in case it gets notification. Okay, if you turn on this button, then messages will pop up in case new messages will be received. Okay, in this way you can easily enable or disable messages pop-up notification, that is message notification pop-up in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.